This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Hey Google on your Android phone. So if you say Hey Google, Gemini should open up and this assistant should be appearing everywhere. So if you do that in an airport, they'll probably pop up in everyone's phone. Well, let's go to the top right.
It sounds like you're asking about
and
the
then go on over to Settings. Scroll on down here and we're looking for Google services. On like your other phone here, it should be on the top. If it's like Motorola or Google Pixel, then we can go on down. Let's go to Google Surfaces right here, choose this, go to all surfaces, go on down, and then we should be able to see the assistant voice, search assistant and voice. Tap this. Now under here we can go into Gemini. There should be an option here, talk to Gemini hands-free. So we can just turn this on. Once you turn it on, you have to do manage voice match, and then you have to read off certain sentences. I think you gotta do like 5 of them. Once you match your voice on here, you should be able to turn on Hey Google, and anytime you say that, now it's going to pop up on the phone. So you can just check that out. Hopefully this video
I'll be there in a second.
did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.